Hey you guys, today I am doing like a little fast forward version of a little get ready with me. You guys seem to love those, so here it is. Let's get started. I'm just gonna hop into it. That bit set it on 14. 14. This right here, bomb stuff right here, and it's actually cheap. So link is down below. Go ahead and pick up yours, just to let you know.
That's good.
Alright you guys, so here are for the key tips to getting that perfect curl with a flat iron. Basically, you'll put your section of hair in between a flat iron as if you're straightening it, and then you want to rotate your flat iron. The more you rotate your flat iron, you guys, the better your curl comes out, even bomber, if that's even the word. So yeah, take your time with this you guys, because the first time is not always going to be the easiest. Next, kind of catch your curl and let it cool on your hands, or you can grab a pen or a bobby pin and kind of pin up your hair. This allows the cooling process to go on as you move on to other sections of your hair. This is so key, you guys, to having a bomb curl throughout the whole day, because it makes it last longer. Now you can practically say you don't need a curling iron to curl your hair anymore. This is all that it takes to achieve these bomb curls, you guys, and I do this method all the time. I love it. Super easy. I'm going to repeat the same steps, so you definitely want to watch to the very end to see how this amazing look turns out. I am personally not aiming for a tighter curl, so I am not going to pin curl my hair. So definitely, if you are looking for some tighter curls, think about pinning or using a bobby pin to pin curl your hair, and yes, this will achieve a tighter curl look. Another side but key note is this amazing bomb hair. It is by Rauh hair. I don't know if I mentioned it already before, but yes you guys, this hair is super bomb. I did do a review on it. The link will be down below for that. Also, direct links to go ahead and pick up your very own of this hair will be down below. Also, you guys, I want to include why exactly my curls are turning out so poppin'. It's because this flat iron is lit, like literally lit. This flat iron is extremely cheap and, like I said earlier, great quality stuff. So make sure you have some bomb flat iron, girl. If your flat iron is not to par, definitely click that link down below and get you one. Alright you guys, that pretty much sums up this whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Make sure you guys definitely like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, till next time.